There's more than one way to tell the time in English. What time is it? You can say it's 1:20 or it's 20 after 1. 20 minutes after 1. What time is it? You can say it's 1:40 or it's 20 to 2. It's 20 minutes until 2 o'clock. After is after the hour, until 30 minutes. 2 is until the next hour. 15 minutes is a quarter of an hour. We can say it's 1:15 or it's a quarter after 1. We can say it's 1:45 or it's a quarter to 2. Half is half an hour or 30 minutes. You can say it's 1:30 or it's 1:30. We have some special words for 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock at night is midnight. 12 o'clock in the day is noon. You can say it's 5:05 or what's a different way? You can say it's 5 after 5. You can say it's 2:30 or what's a different way? You can say it's 2:30. You can say it's 8:15 or what's a different way? You can say it's a quarter after 8. You can say it's 9:45 or what's a different way? You can say it's a quarter to 10. You can say it's 6:50 or what's a different way? You can say it's 10 to 7. It's your turn. What time is it now? Write in the comments. For example, it's 20 after 10. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to find out when we make more videos.